This tutorial shows you two ways to add on-demand rules to forms. You can create right-click menus, also called action menus or context menus, and associate them with forms, enabling users to right-click rows or columns in forms and select menu items to launch an on-demand rule. You also can add on-demand rules to the list of business rules available from the Rules dialog box. To launch rules from a form, users must be assigned access to the form and the launch permission for the on-demand rule. First, I'll create an action menu to launch an on-demand rule. In the navigator, select Action Menus in the Create and Manage section. Click Create Menu. Enter a name for the action menu and click OK. Click Edit Menu to define the menu options. Select Actions, Add Child. Enter a name for the menu item. Enter the text to display to users in the label field. Select Business Rule for the type. For required parameters, you can select a dimension and member, or select an option for where the menu item displays. Selecting None makes the menu available anywhere the user right-clicks in the form. Select Console for the cube. In the Business Rules list, I'll select the Inventory Calc On-Demand rule. The calculation in this rule adds the values in two accounts, warehouse stock and showroom stock, and then stores the calculation result in the inventory stock account. You can enter a description or instructions for the rule in the Launch Confirmation message field. You can use the Hide Prompt option to suppress the runtime prompts for the rule. I am finished configuring the menu item, so I'll save it and then save the action menu. I'll edit a form to assign the action menu and add the on-demand rule to the list of business rules available in the Rules dialog box. You use the Other Options tab to assign action menus to forms. I'll add the Calculate Inventory action menu. Use the Business Rules tab to add rules to the list of business rules available in the Rules dialog box. I'll add the Inventory Calc rule. Optionally, you can use Business Rules properties to configure options for the rule. I'll save my changes to the form and open the form to launch the rule. Right-click in the form to verify that the Calculate Inventory menu item has been added to the action menu. Open the Calculate Inventory menu item to access the launch dialog for the Inventory Calc On-Demand rule that you added to the menu item. Alternatively, you can select Actions, then Rules to access the on-demand rule. I'll select Members for the prompts and launch the rule. The rule calculates the data in the form. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.